So you want to use a LLM, you want to use it free, running locally on your machine. Preferably, you would like to use the Google Gemma large language model, as it's very good for developing code. Well, then this video is for you. You need to watch this video to the end, as we cover many different things in the video. Let's get our hands dirty. We will install Gemma, the large language model from Google, as a free LLM in our Windows laptop. However, we will show Mac and Linux instructions. We will start by installing Ollama, then we will install Gemma and run it locally. Then we will install OpenCode and then connect OpenCode to Gemma. And with that, we will be ready to do serious development using Gemma. The instructions for this video can be found in our blog. Have a look down below for the link. Our idea is to install Gemma as a local LLM so that we can do serious development. We have chosen to use Ollama for this installation. It will serve up our large language models, specifically Gemma. So the installation goes as follows. Open the download page and you select your operating system, in our case Windows, and download. So if you look in your downloads, you will find this file here. And you can do the same with Linux and Mac. You can download the installable file. It should be a shell script. We will pause the video until this installation has completed. As you can see, we've got Ollama installed. Now there's a way to test it. Open the command prompt and type Ollama -- version. Perfect. Now, depending on your machine, you will select which version of Ollama you want to download. We are going to use this version of Gemma. You could also try 12B, depending on how much RAM you have in your laptop. This will take a while. We will pause the video. Now that we've done that, let's test it. So now instead of saying pull, we are going to say run. I've asked it a simple question, what is Kubernetes? I'm quite impressed that it came back so quick with an answer. It's running slow on my laptop, but I'm sure if you've got a 32 gig laptop with a GPU, you'll be in business. And now to exit /buy. Next, we install OpenCode. If you're running Linux, you can run this command here. It will download a shell script and install it. However, if you open this link here, they advise that you download and install the CLI. So it's as simple as double-clicking the exe file. And now, welcome to OpenCode. Just to recap, run OpenCode from the terminal. Now we want to connect to a provider. To do that, we type the command /connect. You can choose any of the providers. You may notice we've already selected OpenCode Zen. This is a good provider. It gives you access to free models. Now you need to go to this URL. I'm not going to do that as we've already registered a key and we don't want to display it. However, you would go there, generate a key, and then you would use that key and pass that back to OpenCode. Now that we've done that, we may want to select a model. So /models. And you see, Zen provides you with these free models here. Just a word of warning, they may be free, but they may be using your prompt to train them. So don't generate mission critical code with these models here. And now we have selected Nematron 3. You can ask it a question. And there we are. As you can see, this was very simple to do. We trust you found this interesting. Please subscribe to our channel as we haven't reached our target yet. And with that, we say, cheers, dude.